Okay, we've been hiking for about 120 minutes. 2 hours. So we should be close to our halfway point. And it says we're 2.5 hours away. That way.
Good job.
So this is like halfway point.
Sorry we left you. Oh, it's fine. It motivated me.
You caught up quick.
Oh, can I run?
I think this is why that guy was looking at me strangely, telling me that it was a very steep hike. Yep, it is. And we're not done climbing yet. I think the hiking path is over there. All right, 2.5 hours this way. For me, it'll be at least 3 hours. Not that I'm slow, because I gotta take lots of videos and photos. Wow, this is beautiful. I took so many photos here. I think some of them came out really good. The beauty of this trail never stops. Look at this. Green grass, Beyond that, glaciers. Just look at this beauty. Doesn't stop in this trail. This has got to be one of the most beautiful hikes I have done. We climb all of that stuff, all those hiking trails. Came all the way up. Now it's pretty leveled, slight uphill, but nothing like what we done down there. I think all the hard stuff is done. Should be mostly downhill from here. And then look at the lake. Oh my God. Look at that lake. Beautiful. You can see the hike. That's not even where we started. It's like we started way down there. Goes all the way around. There's a vehicle there. Yeah, go all the way around like that. Crazy beautiful. Look at this, all this trail we came up all the way there. Now we are descending, I think. This is the top. We made it back to the gondola. We got about 40 minutes for the last gondola to go down. Just enough time maybe to do the coaster if it's not too expensive. I'm gonna do the coaster. 6 Swiss francs. That went a little slower than expected because there's a person putting on the brake all the time in front of me. But other than that, it was fun. Okay, we're heading down back to Kandersteg. So we went from Kandersteg, took the gondola, went to the lake, and went up and around like this. The other path goes there, I guess. And there's a path going around like that too. Alright, it's 6 o'clock. We got 30 minutes before Coop closes. These restaurants, I think the prices are around 25 Swiss francs per dish. That's a typical price. So if I can, I'm gonna get something from Coop. Let's see what they have. All that was $10.95. Swiss francs. So I got water, grapefruit drink, tuna sandwich again, macaroni and ham salad, a big yogurt, and a biscuit. So that's going to be half the price of these restaurants, and that's going to be enough food for a little bit of snack. So the main dish is about at least 32 Swiss francs. So Switzerland is the only place that is more expensive than my hometown of Santa Monica. Okay. By lodging, I think is comparable. Lodging prices are comparable to Southern California, but food prices are way higher. This view, Switzerland has this view, so that's the reason, I guess. I think their minimum wage is higher too, probably. So Coop and other places like that is gonna be my lunch and dinner, I think, unless I find a cheap restaurant.